The microwave clock glowed a smug green 2:30 a.m. against the black granite countertop, its light the only witness to Simone's sleepless vigil. She hadn't truly rested in weeks, not since the silence from Devon's phone had grown louder than any spoken betrayal. This wasn't a hunt for proof anymore, it was the cold, quiet wait for the inevitable, a ritual she now embraced with surgical calm. For months she had memorized his hours, the late arrivals, the foreign scents clinging to his expensive shirts. Gone was the sandalwood and vetiver she once bought him, the fragrance of promise and quiet evenings. Now it was the heavy perfume of success mixed with strange skin and cheap desire, a scent that lied as boldly as the man himself. Tonight he didn't bother with pretense. The high-rise condo, 1,400 square feet bought with her savings and his debt, shuddered as Devon burst through the foyer, letting out an alcohol-soaked sigh that slammed like a vault door. He was impeccable, crisp sapphire shirt, top buttons undone, skin gleaming with arrogant triumph. The odor of flashy cologne and another woman's jasmine and tobacco hit Simone like a slap. He stopped in front of her, framed by moonlight through the city window, her arms folded in a worn cashmere robe that felt softer than her spine was rigid. No tears, no accusations, only a terrifying stillness he mistook for helplessness. "What are you staring at?" His voice was loud, meant to crush. "I saw the best woman in the world tonight. You're dull. Worn out. Like an old carpet. Start your tantrum, I like it. Makes me feel desired." He waited, breathing heavily, craving a scream, a broken vase, anything to cast him as the tormented victor. Simone exhaled once, a deep, silent release of every illusion. Her gray eyes looked through him, past the tailored suit to the empty vessel beneath. She turned and walked to the bedroom, robe whispering against marble, leaving him stranded in his perfect suit and perfect delusion. He poured another drink, smirking. Where could she go? The mortgage traps her, in the bedroom. He passed out in minutes, snoring like an offense. Simone lay awake, city lights merging with her reflection in the window. I'm waiting for the storm to pass, she thought. But it's the one I'll unleash. 17 days had passed since she stopped crying and started acting. His latest betrayal had aligned perfectly with her discovery of the Stonehaven estate deal, his golden ticket, a commission to erase most of their mortgage. He'd hidden a critical flaw. The foundation sat on unstable soil near a high water table, guaranteed to crack load-bearing walls within years. Fraud. A license killer. And the buyers, Marcus and Tasha Jones, were her old contacts from Omni Structura, people who trusted her precision, not his slick lies. She pulled a burner phone from her robe, hidden under blueprints in her study, and typed a single message, the deal for Stonehaven is off. Devon is a fraud. Call me at 9 a.m. Irrefutable evidence on foundation concealment, sent. She tucked it away and watched dawn bleed across the skyline, ice water in her glass untouched. Her mother Aisha's words echoed, cold fire, sweetheart. Not revenge. Justice. Shatter his foundation, status, money, with the logic he despises in you, By 6, Simone was showered, suited in dark blue, a single coffee cooling on the counter. Devon woke at 7, migraine pounding, still swollen with self-congratulation. She's hiding her sadness. In 2 days I close the deal. Portia. Tiffany. Champagne, at 8:30 her emergency phone rang. He answered, irritated. Simone? Thank God. We got your message. Fraud? We were wiring the down payment, Tasha's voice cut like a blade. Tasha, it's Devon. Mistake. Woman thing. House is fine. Don't insult me. Marcus checked your wife's documents. Missing geotechnical reports. We're calling Adrian Sterling. Done with you. Click. Blocked. His own phone exploded. Adrian Sterling, you lost your mind? Joneses have proof. Your wife, fired. I'll crush your reputation until no firm touches you. Click. A bank alert followed. Asterisk application received from co-borrower Simone P. RHS for mortgage restructuring and asset division. Report within 3 days or court prioritizes the stable borrower. Asterisk. He called Tiffany, voice trembling. Fired. Simone's destroying me. Need you. A pause, cold and calculating. Fired? You said richest broker tomorrow. Portia? You're a liability, Devin. Transactional. Don't call. Click. 2 days later, in a windowless bank office, Mr. Avery's charcoal suit and colder eyes waited. Condo sold. Assets divided 50/50ths. You're unemployed, fraudulent. Vacate. Devin pleaded, wept, accused revenge. Avery tapped papers. Protection from your irresponsibility. Sign. Weeks blurred. Devin's suits hung unworn, his resume polished with lies that earned only silence. Colleagues ghosted. Adrian warned everyone. He took warehouse work, hands cracking, back aching, invisible in crowds he once commanded. The condo sold. New owners sneered as he dragged cardboard boxes past them. Auntie Clarice took him in on condition he clean, cook, weed tasks he fumbled while she lectured. Asterisk quiet water, deep currents. You were a puddle. Asterisk. Simone rose. Promotion to supply chain director. Debt-free studio condo. Master's degree. Global certification. Her balcony overlooked a city that now noticed her. When Devin ambushed her outside the office, unshaven, stained, desperate, she stopped only long enough to say, "You abandoned yourself, Devin. I just gave you the mirror. Goodbye." The rideshare accelerated, leaving his scream swallowed by traffic. One final call from Avery, divorce final. Simone's message, her share bought freedom, education, success. You got the collapse you deserved. Learn dignity, or don't. She feels nothing. Devin stared at his calloused hands over watery stew, the warehouse smell clinging like failure. Simone, on her bright balcony, sipped coffee that tasted of self-determination. Cold fire had burned clean. His garden was rubble, hers was just beginning to bloom.